The Pearl is just shy of 3,000 kinetic tiles, powered by about 9,000 motors, operating 24 hours a day, laid out in a Fibonacci sequence in a 50-foot sphere, sitting at the center of the largest and most sustainable cruise ship in the world. The piece is not only fascinating and mesmerizing, but it is also a data visualization. It is taking real-time data, that's wind and tide data from across the Caribbean, which influences its movements. These tiles move as though they are acting like the surface of the ocean or a piece of fabric that's being blown in the wind, and those visualizations change based on that data ebbing and flowing throughout the day, minute, hour. It is really, truly an engineering marvel. It might be the most complex kinetic artwork ever created, and hundreds of people involved. It was 4 years of effort just from breakfast, but also from the architects WBA, who created the shell of it, that is the support structure. It's actually holding up the decks of the ship above it. There are the steel workers, the shipyard, the people at Royal. It is a true collaboration to the nines across many years to create an artwork, a sculpture that is really unlike anything the world has seen before.